Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into how to view all shared videos on Snapchat. If you've ever wondered where those fun clips from your friends went, or how to easily access videos shared in your chats, you're in the right place. Let's go through the steps together. First, grab your Android device and open the Snapchat app. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar camera interface. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your chats and channels without any interruptions. Next, navigate to the channel or conversation where the videos were shared. This could be a one-on-one chat with a friend or a group chat filled with lots of shared content. Once you've found the desired channel, tap on it to open the conversation. Now, look at the top of the screen where you can see the contact or group name. Tap on that name to access more options related to this conversation. This will take you to a profile screen, where you can view various settings and information. After tapping the contact name, scroll down the screen. You're looking for the Chat Attachments section. This area is like a treasure chest containing all the media shared in your conversation. Here, under the Chat Attachments section, you will see all the shared videos neatly organized for you. This feature makes it super easy to revisit those memorable moments and clips without scrolling endlessly through your chat history. You can watch those fun videos again, or save them if you want to keep them for later. And that's it. You've successfully viewed all the shared videos on Snapchat. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.